Good morning, all. Myself, Dr. Priyanka Ghosh. Today, we are going to start the valuation of goodwill. So, before starting the valuation of goodwill calculation, first we will talk about what is the definition of goodwill. So, goodwill actually it is the brand value or reputation of the company. But we know we are having two types of asset. One is tangible, while another one is intangible assets. So goodwill is intangible asset and it is a real asset, and goodwill will coexist with the business only. So today we are going to talk about the goodwill super profit method. So we are having different types of methods. So under this, we are going to talk about the super profit method. So when we are calculating the super profit method, we are having some steps to follow. So first step is that we need to calculate the adjusted profit. So adjusted profit means in the question if they have given you the profits and if any adjustments are pending, then we have to do the adjustment first and then we can calculate the adjusted profit. That adjustment may be the salary or any kind of expenses or any kind of non-business income. That could be anything. After calculating the adjusted profit, we should calculate the average profit. So total adjusted profit divided by number of years. So here when we are calculating the average profit, we are having two methods. One is normal average, another one is weighted average. So normal average means we can calculate the total adjusted profit divided by number of years. So this will be calculated when there will be an up and down in the profits. But suppose in the profits, we can see the increasing trend, then we have to follow the weighted average. That I will talk about the next class. So step 3, we are going to calculate the average capital employed. So how to calculate average capital employed? Total fixed asset plus current asset minus current liability. So we will be getting the total capital employed. From total capital employed, we need to minus half of the current year's adjusted profit. Current years means what is the last year profits they have given, that only we should consider. After calculating the average capital employed, we should calculate the normal profit. So formula for normal profit will be average capital employed into normal rate of return. After calculating the normal profit, we should calculate the super profit. Formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. And last step, we will calculate the goodwill super profit into number of year of purchase. So number of year of purchase, they will be mentioning into the question itself. So based on the number of year of purchase, we can calculate the goodwill. So let's see one example under this method. So this is one question under super profit. You can see we need to calculate the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of super profit. So here number of year is 3 and they have given the fixed asset value is 8 lakh, current asset 80,000, current liability 1 lakh 60,000. Normal rate of return is 15% and there is an adjustment managerial remuneration for one manager that is 10,000 per annum. So this is one adjustment we have to adjust with our profits. And last 4 years profit they have mentioned, we need to calculate goodwill under super profit. So we will start with the calculation step by step. So as I discussed, step 1, we need to calculate the adjusted profit. And I said if there is any adjustment, we should make it first. So in the question, if you can see, there is one manager salary. So manager salary is our expenses. So expenses we are deducting from the profits. So here 4 years profit I have written and from there manager salary 10,000 per annum I have deducted from each year. So after deducting manager salary, I got adjusted profit for first year 1,10,000, second year 1,30,000, third year 1,20,000 and fourth year 1,40,000. So this is my adjusted profit. After calculating adjusted profit, as per step 2, we need to calculate the average profit. So you can see in the adjusted profit, there is an up and down trends. 1,10,000, 1,30,000, again 1,20,000 and 40,000. So here, what we should do? We should apply the normal average profit. So formula is total adjusted profit divided by number of years. So total, I have done all the adjusted profit. So after that, divided by number of years. So I am having 4 years. So divided by 4. So total average profit has come 1,25,000. 5,000. After that, we should calculate the step 3, which is average capital employed. So formula for average capital employed is fixed asset plus current asset minus current liability. And from there, we need to minus half of the current year's adjusted profit. So fixed asset, as per the question, it is 8 lakh. Current asset 80,000. So total asset we got 8,80,000. From there, current liability I have deducted 1,60,000. My total capital employed at the end 7,20,000. Now I need to minus half of the current year profit. So half of the current year adjusted profit means fourth year profit. You can see 1,40,000. Half of that we should consider that. So here 1,40,000 into half, 70,000 I have deducted. So my average capital employed is coming 6,50,000. So after that, we should go to calculate the normal profit. How to calculate normal profit? Average capital employed into normal rate of return. So average capital employed, we calculated 6,50,000. Normal rate of return 15% they have given. So my normal profit is coming 97,500. So step 5, we need to calculate the super profit. Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. So average profit, first step we have calculated 1,25,000. From there I have deducted 97,500. So my super profit came 27,500. Step 5, we need to calculate the goodwill. Super profit into number of year of purchase. So super profit is 27,500 into number of year of purchase. It is given into the question is 3. So 27,500 into 3, 82,500. So this is the calculation of goodwill under super profit method. Next class, we will start with the another example. Thank you.